When I had my kids and that, I didn't really have a lot of time to cook, so I always thought, you know, when I retire, I want to really cook and do different recipes, you know. And
It's all about you feeding your family, feeding friends.
it's my passion.
Oh, that's so good.
It makes me happy.
Hi everyone, welcome to Vince's at Home. Today we have a special guest here with us, and she is a mom of one of our beloved staff members, Jessica. Jessica, introduce your mom.
This is my mom, Janine.
Janine also has a very special place in our heart because she provided the sourdough starter for Kristen.
I'm so proud.
Well, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Jessica tells us that you are the best cook in the world. She goes, if you're gonna have my mom on, she has to make her stuffing muffins. And it made me stop for a second. I'm like, what is stuffing muffins?
It's a muffin, but it's made out of stuffing. Because I always feel like when there's stuffing, like Thanksgiving, as for me, it's my favorite part. I love stuffing. Me too. And I always feel like it's one of those things where there might not be enough. So I feel like if you do stuffing muffins, you can actually plan out
Individual servings of stuffing.
Could I
grab
take two?
some. If you want, there's always leftovers at my mom's, so.
Everybody loves this?
Yes.
This is like the go-to?
In fact, a couple times I haven't made it, and I've done like the pan one,
what
you know.
happens?
You get some trouble.
Yeah. We've broken up
Yes.
some potato bread, and it's just in the oven now at 250, just till it gets
Just
a little
toasting?
bit, toasting a little bit. It's denser. I've tried making with regular bread, and it just doesn't turn out the same. And then we can start cutting up stuff.
Cool.
Yeah, I started grating the carrots for this because carrots are so hard. It's got to be really fine. Stuffing muffins are always on the menu.
And when did that become a tradition?
Oh, a long time ago. Actually, the recipe came from a girlfriend. So she made it and said, oh my God, it was delicious. But it is a lot of cutting. But everybody loved it. So I said, I'm going to try it. Well, she never made it again. I make it every year.
Because of all the work.
Yeah.
You can almost do this in a food processor too if you wanted to do
You
a
know,
quick
you
chop.
know what? Like a chopper one, yeah.
Yeah, like a mini chopper.
I'm going to get the butter.
Oh, you know it's going to be good when there's a lot of butter in there.
And you wouldn't think that apples would go in this, but it's good. Basically, just want to cook this all till it's soft.
Why does this mixture always smell so good?
It just smells like Thanksgiving.
It does.
Do you need that cheese grated?
Grated, yes.
Okay.
And then in a large bowl, it's egg and chicken stock.
Cool.
So that's like the
That's
wet.
what holds
the
it together.
binder.
Yeah, the binder. And that's where you kind of need this to cool down a little bit because I don't want the eggs to be cooking. Put the liquid in here. It's got to absorb it, right? Because it's going to soak into the bread. This old cheddar cheese, parsley. I just kind of mix it. It's the consistency. You want it kind of sloppy. Okay, mix that up really good.
Now that smells like Thanksgiving.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? And I think it's a good consistency. We're gonna scoop these in here, and you want to mound it. It's not gonna rise like a muffin would, right?
No, but those edges will get all
A little
brown, whatever's
crispy.
sticking
Yeah.
out.
You can definitely spread these out to get more, right? Just make them smaller, that's all. At this stage, you can, if you're making them ahead of time, you put them in like a tinfoil tray and completely cool them because you don't want any moisture in the tray.
Yes.
And then you freeze them and then you just warm them up.
So is this one of those things you will do ahead, usually?
100%.
Yeah, eh?
Yeah, because it's one less thing you have to do.
Totally, the day of.
Yeah, it's just
Makes so much
and
sense.
then you know you can make as many as you want
Yep.
for how many people. You know, I count on 3 per person.
I
in
love
my
this.
family. Yeah, I've made these as far ahead as a month in advance and just put them on a tinfoil tray, and then the whole tray goes in the oven just to warm them up.
Oh, these look so good.
So first you cut it open,
Yes.
and then you pour the gravy on it. Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you for sharing
This
this
is such a
lovely
great
recipe
recipe.
with us.
Well, now the secret's out. Everyone knows now. Janine's stuffing muffins are on the internet forever.
That's delicious.
Really good. Well, this Thanksgiving, or before Thanksgiving, if you have a chance to make these, great idea. Thank you very much for being here.
Make
You're
it.
welcome. Thanks for having me.
Thank you.